Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you visit on any YouTube channel and you want play all the video in one playlist. Previously, this feature is available on YouTube, but now they are removing this feature. So how to play all video in single playlist? Let's start. As a demo point of view, this is my son YouTube channel and I won't play all the video in one playlist. So this feature is not available here. So that point of view, you just simply click here in the three dot and afterwards here the extension, then visit Chrome Web Store. Afterward you need to search here one of the extension, play all YouTube. Even I already added this extension link in video description. You click and install directly. Here the play all YouTube play all rating is very high, so we select here 4.9 rating out of 5. You click here. Afterwards look at this here play all latest video tab is showing. Now here is not, the button is not showing here, this button play all. I just simply add to Google Chrome, add extension, the extension is added, and if I refresh here, so boom, the play all latest video is showing here and my all 226 video comes in one playlist. So this is the one of the best and easiest way to play all the video in one playlist. If YouTube is not providing this feature, using these tips and tricks you can very easily access this feature. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.